Welcome on MGSS YouTube channel, and I Navkad Misra with you to discuss chapter 9.1 of class 7, and hope you have to enjoy this session. In this session, I will discuss some difficult problems, and first problem I have just taken from your book, and that is related to an angle. And here it has been given actually two different figures, and it has been just named. You can just see that O, A, B and C, and you have to compare these two angles, that these are adjacent or not. Similarly, you can just see in this case, and here these two angles has been given, and it has given in the question that you have to just check that these two pair of the angles are adjacent or not. My dear student, you know that here two angles are angle AOB and second one is angle BOC. And you can just see that in these two angles, it has the first one, same vertex, and same what is the same vertex, and you know that both having the vertex O. Second one, same arm, and you can just see that both are made up of two arms. Angle AOB is made up of OA and OB, these two arms, and BOC having OB and OC two arms. Which arm is common? Actually, OB is a common arm in these two ones. And you can just see that the third case, rest of the side OA and OC, you can just see that one is in the right side and second one is the left side, means either side of this common arm. This is why these two angles are adjacent angles. Whatever, when you just check that in these two angles, then you just see that it has a common vertex, both having the common vertex O, but they do not have a common arm. Angle AOB in this figure has two arms, OA and OB, and angle COD having two arms, OC and OD. Since they do not have a common arm, so it cannot be considered as adjacent pair. So first one has adjacent angles, and second one cannot be considered as adjacent angles, not sides, adjacent angles. Next question I have just taken, and it is related to a figure, and it has been given. Before I start it, actually in this question it has been given that you need to check that angle AOB and BOC is a linear pair, and you know that for the linear pair it should be adjacent sides, adjacent angles, my dear. So these two angles are adjacent angle. Now it is clear, and then you have to just see that sum of these two angles should be equal to 180 degree, and you can just check that AOB has been given 85 degree and plus BOC, you can just see that 80 degree, and sum of these two is 165 degree. Since it is not equal to 180 degree, and this is why there is no chance to be a linear pair. Again you have to just check that again it has been given that angle AOD and angle COD is a linear pair, and you know very well that these two angles are adjacent pair of the angles, so no problem. First condition is satisfied, and second condition is their sum, and you can just see that AOD is 70 degree and COD is 125 degree. Since it is equal to 195 degree and it does not equal to 180 degree, and this is why these both pair are not linear pair. My dear students, two pair has been given, two pair of angles, 25 degree and 65 degree, and second pair 60 degree and 80 degree. And it has been given in the question that you have to verify that it is a complementary pair of complementary angles or not. For the complementary angles, you know that if the sum of two angle is equal to 90 degree, then it is known as complementary angles. And you can just check that 25 degree plus 65 degree, this is equal to 90 degree, and this proves that 25 degree and 65 degree, this pair is actually complementary angles. In the next, you have to, one more pair has been given, 60 degree and 80 degree. You have to add them, 60 degree plus 80 degree, and it is equal to 140 degree. Since it is not equal to 90 degree, and this is why this pair of angles cannot be complementary angles. Similar type of the question has been given, 60 degree and 120 degree, and you have to check that this pair is supplementary or not. Regarding supplementary angle, you know very well that if sum of two angle is equal to 180 degree, then these angles are known as supplementary angles. And my dear, if you have to add these two, then you know that this sum is equal to 180 degree, and this is why this first pair has been given sure be supplementary angles. One more pair I have just checked, 75 degree and 170 degree, 120 degree has been given, my dear. And you can just check that this pair, regarding this pair 75 degree plus 120 degree, since it is equal to 195 degree, it is not equal to 180 degree. This is why this pair of angle cannot be supplementary angles. So you can easily find out complementary angles as well as supplementary angles. In the adjoining figure, it has been given that angle 1 is equal to 150 degree. Adjoining figure means the figure which is given in the question. Given figure, adjoining figure. Angle 1 is equal to 150 degree, and you need to find out angle 3. And angle 3, you know very well that when two lines intersect, then vertically opposite angles are equal. It means if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, then angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. You have to apply. You have to just mention that due to vertically opposite angles, angle 3 is equal to angle 1, and angle 1 has been given in the question is 150 degree. This is why angle 3 is equal to 150 degree. Hope you have to enjoy this session, and you are able to solve the different questions that is given in this exercise, and you should try. If you have any problem, then you must mention in the comment box. Thank you very much.